So for now, I will see the technical computing workflow. So the first step is how MATLAB actually work with the data. So the first of all, we require access some kind of data, some kind of inputs in MATLAB. Okay. So for that, different kind of files supported with MATLAB. It can be your Excel files, it can be your PDF file, or we can say like it can be your doc file. Any kind of file formats you can access with MATLAB. So now you can access data through other softwares also, right? If you want to just interface C language, so if you want to for example, if you want to just interface with the Python language also, so for that MATLAB is there, right? So you can interact with any kind of language, that is also you can available in MATLAB, right? So if you are working on the live data, and if you want to interface with the hardware, so with some you can log those data into MATLAB, and further you can design some algorithms for your data. So after accessing data into MATLAB, then what is the next process? So so next process is that which we are going to do so in the explore and discover thing. So this process is very important. Now if I want to work with the data analysis, modeling, and algorithm development and application deployment, so what I can do, I'll do some data analysis here, I'll do some modeling here. If I'm okay with this, then I'll just move the next step, right? Now if I want to generate or create a algorithm, okay, for a model, so I can also do in this step, right? Further, that we'll also see further that how we can create a app or a GUI based thing into MATLAB. So here, if you are okay, if you are satisfied here, in explore and discover step, then further you can share those results or your projects or your models with your colleagues. So there are different types of things that you can share those results with your colleagues. For example, PDF files or doc file or HTML files. Okay. Also you can deploy the hardware or the model directly on the hardware. Okay, some codes or functions, some the hardware codes, you can deploy it on hardware thing before going into the directly hardware. Okay, you can also generate some C or C++ libraries for it. So this is complete automate process, right? And this comes with the MATLAB.